or something?
I just click record.
Okay, cool. So I guess we're recording, whatever. We can
Okay.
like this later. So yeah, cool. So first thing that you want to do is, so we're here inside your ad account. What you want to do is you want to, if we're going to be running a new ad, you want to make a page post like on the business page first.
Okay.
And then you're going to turn that into an ad. So the first thing to do is to go to the actual business page.
Oh, to the business page itself.
Yeah.
Okay, on Facebook. So we'll just go.
Yeah, so it's a little bit of a weird way to do it.
Okay, so we just go to a furniture store. Okay, at the moment we're running a couple of promotions for this furniture store. We're actually smashing it at the moment. In the last 3 weeks, 180 leads for them.
So that's awesome. The bed store, mark of distinction. I like it. Cool. So what you're going to do here is you're going to make a page post that you want to have it be like exactly what you're going to write in your ad. Like we're going to turn this post into your ad.
Okay, right, okay. So what we do is, let me just go in here and I'll just pick something from an ad that we've done already for them. Yeah. And there's so much stuff open.
Or if there's a post on there that if there's already a post on there that you want to turn into an ad or something, then we can do that too.
Okay. Hang on, let me just find it. The computer is all over the place here. Too much stuff going on here. Where is it? Bed store. Let me just have a look here. We'll have all different files. God, where is it? Can you see the bed store there for me now?
Those are nice bed frames.
Nice, bed frames.
Nice bed frames, yeah.
Oh, there it is. There, look. Okay, let me have a look. Okay. Okay. Let me just have a look at this for a minute. No, these are just the ones there. Let's go into let's no, let me just stay with that for a second. Sorry. Let me go back in here. I have something. I'm just going to take some. So this is something that we're running at the moment here for these. Let me just go into the ad itself and I'll just pull the information from it, because we could just do something similar.
Okay.
And I can just edit the text in later on. Okay.
Nice. So already looks like great copy. I can tell the structure of the copy that you're using is already like really eye-catching and good. So.
Cool. Okay, so I have it there now. So let's go then into the page, isn't it? We need to go into the page then, don't we?
Yeah, so go back over to the page.
Okay. Okay.
And then
put in here. Okay.
And then you're going to want to add, if you want to do like an image or a video or whatever it is.
Yeah. The video. Is this too much? Is this too much for an actual post? Is it?
I mean, I don't think so. If you're running that as an ad, like.
Yeah, we're gonna run it as an ad, so it'll be okay. Like. You know?
Yeah, I mean, I think it should be fine. Like, it's kind of up to you. Like, it's really just the style. Like you don't have to run this one as an ad either.
Yeah.
But you can. So
what will I do with it now? Will I put a video on it now as well?
Yeah, whatever the creative that you want for the ad or for this post, then use that. Or it looks like it's maybe going to pull an image or something. I'm not sure if that's actually going to pull an image though.
Just click that out there.
Or you don't have to. I mean, you don't have to have an image. It works for text posts as well.
I can't pull. Can I pull a video from Facebook with this? Can I know?
I don't think so. I think you have to upload it, which is really annoying.
I think there's a video here from these. Let me just have a look there for a second. Look there. There's a video here. That will just get your email into us. I'll use that little video there, maybe, right? Okay, if we can pull it in. Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's not letting me pull the video in. It's not letting me pull the video in.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird.
It's not finding the video on my desktop. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, pulling the video in now. So this is just a video from telling people to get their email in, upload video. Okay.
Cool. And so then you're gonna have to write the title. Oh, cool. Yeah, it takes a little while for that to upload.
Oh yeah, okay. We're on Wi-Fi here, anyway, so it should be okay. Type products in this video. Okay, I don't do that. Just show me. Now you can allow page to use your videos in their photo.
Wow, I'm seeing all the little notifications pop up. You guys are getting a ton of engagement.
Yeah, no, we are. Yeah, a lot of engagement on this. Yeah. Okay, so the title of the video. So what's the title for? Just for us to know about it, or what?
So that's what yeah, basically that's the same as like the ad headline. So it's going to be like the big text that shows underneath the video.
Okay. 100 euro voucher. Okay. Okay.
And then you can say like whatever, I don't know, like click below or whatever, or you can just leave it like that, or comment below or something like that. Because how it's going to work is we're going to use the Facebook comments tool.
Okay.
So people are going to get subscribed to the bot by making a comment on this post.
Oh, right. Okay. So I need to tell them then what to do. Comment below to receive your voucher. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
There's a link on this to go onto a funnel. So maybe I should take those links off, should I? Because we don't want to drop them into a funnel with this. Should we don't? This is just for bots, isn't it?
Okay. Actually, another way that we can do this, and this is really kind of up to you. Another way that we can do it is we can have people, if you want to just leave the funnel the same, well, okay, so two options. We can get people to comment below, and that'll get them into the bot. Or you can also use what's called a ref URL, and you can just edit the call to action button on your funnel, and that button will get them into the bot too. So those are two ways that you can do it.
Okay,
so if you want them to still go to the funnel page, yeah, does that make sense? Not really?
No. Just explain that again.
So the first option is, and you can actually, technically you can do both, but the first option is have the call to action be comment below to get your free voucher or whatever.
Okay, right, okay.
And then that'll automatically, once we set this up, then that'll automatically input them into the bot, and they'll get the message from the bot. The second option is you can leave everything the same if you want, and like have them go over to the landing page. And then on the landing page, you can edit the call to action button and put a special URL in there that I'll show you.
Okay.
And then that URL, when they click on it, they'll get the message from the bot.
Right. Okay. Okay. So we'll just do comment below on this one, yeah? And we'll take out the the landing page.
Yeah, you can take out the landing page URL.
I'll take out the URL now in a second, right? Okay. So I'll say €300 voucher, and will I put it underneath this then? Oh no. With comment below. I can't put in the tags here.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really get what the tags are, honestly. I think that's for like people to find the video organically or something.
Right.
Yeah, I would just make sure to say that, yeah, in the title.
Yeah, voucher. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
You can say like comment, like give me or something, whatever.
Okay, what's going on now?
Okay, now it looks like, oh, it takes a little while, I guess, to post a video.
Videos all in one place. Okay. Yeah, it's probably because the first time we've done it on this page, that's why so many notifications are coming up and showing us what to do.
Yeah. So for now, we can just wait until that loads. For now, go ahead and log into ManyChat.
Okay. Let me just set up a ManyChat. Is it M-A-N-N-Y, is it?
No, yeah, it's MANY, then CHAT.com.
Okay. Create your first bot. Signed in anyway. There we go. Okay. Okay.
All right. So then you just pick the right page.
Take this one.
Mm-hmm.
Let's start. Okay. I'll just go through it all and just.
You can just skip.
I'm getting notifications every now from ManyChat as well.
Oh yeah. It's a lot of stuff. You can just skip it if you want. Oh wait, it says you need to activate checkbox below. It's just how Facebook works. Okay.
I'll skip this. Okay.
Oh. Okay. So you can get like you can get all these tests, or you don't have to.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Just share your thoughts on Facebook. Yeah. Just a
little. You can. I mean, that's kind of like a separate thing. So like you can do that. You can save that, and then, or you'll be able to do that later at any point too.
Finish onboarding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Go to chat or go to dashboard. All right. So now what we're going to do is, now that you've got that post live, the first thing that you want to do is go over to growth tools on the left. So basically what a growth tool is it's any way to get people into your bot.
Okay.
So there's a bunch of different types. You'll see there's like a bar, a pop-up landing page, different things like that. You can do a lot of cool stuff. But go over to new growth tool. Those are all just like pre-populated tests.
Okay.
So go over to new growth tool up in the upper right.
All right. Okay.
And then for this specific type, like I said, there's a ton of different types that you can do to get people into your bot.
Okay.
But what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and then there's Facebook. You'll see like Facebook comments as an option.
Facebook comments. Okay.
Yeah, so like that, and then here's where you select the post.
Okay.
So click on select a post, and then it's going to show you all the posts that are on your page.
All right. That's it.
And so that's the one that we just posted.
This one here, is this the video that?
Yeah, 3 minutes ago.
Yeah, 3 minutes ago. Yeah. Okay.
Or you can do a different one, but
just select him.
Cool.
Okay, now that's like closes.
You can check that. Well, you have to check that. But one thing that I forgot to mention is like in the copy, you're supposed to say like receive your free voucher like via, just so that you notify people that they're going to be getting like a message from you.
Oh yeah, receive your free voucher. Let me just, will I just go back in here then and just, no.
Yeah, you can edit it really quickly.
This bar keeps on dropping down. Where is the Facebook done? No, where's the Facebook done? No.
No.
No. No. Oh no. What are we doing here now? Darn. It's not, it's we're recording.
I can't see your screen anymore.
What do we have to do in here?
I don't know. Zoom is not cooperating today.
No. How do we get out of this?
Is there a green like share screen on the bottom?
Yeah. Sharing the screen there at the moment, but oh yeah, okay. Done.
There we go.
Get rid of this bar up there. That's the problem.
Oh, I think. Well, yeah, it's the Facebook.
Let's start again. I think all that content might be a little bit too much on the bed store that I just put up. I think we need to make
Okay.
it a little bit shorter. So this is being published and all, has it? I didn't think I published it.
Oh. Yeah, it's. I mean, it's published. Like it's just posted on the wall. So you can delete it, and if you want to just use a different one or something.
No, I'll just do it for practicing there for a second. But where's all
Yeah,
the
you can just delete it later.
that was on it that I posted on it? All the writing.
Oh yeah, that's really weird. I don't see any of the copy there.
Where's all the copy gone?
Uh, maybe try editing it or something.
Yeah, we'll have a look at it. Edit it.
I don't know what the heck happened. That is weird. Where did it go? It's all completely gone?
I'll say something. I need to.
That's weird. Yeah, you can just say like comment below to get a free voucher sent to your messenger inbox or something. Oh, or you still have it all saved, so you can just, yeah, there you go.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all this because I don't want the link going in. I won't delete now. Oh, here we go. What I'm going to do. Take away all that. Get rid of that. Okay. 300 girls for every video. Get rid of this as well. And I'm going to put in comment below. Get your voucher.
Mm-hmm. And also, it's also helpful to say like, tell them exactly what words to comment to you. So you can say like, comment like
yes,
I want mine or something like that, or gimme or something like that.
Yeah. Okay. And we will send it in Messenger. With that?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, you can. I think Messenger's got an E instead of an A. Other than that, though, you're perfect.
MESSENG. Oh yeah, ENGER.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, except right above it, it still says click the link.
Oh yeah. Comment below. I was right. Okay. Oh, hang on. Let me do the caps. Right. Hang on. Comment below if you really want the cash.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. And I'll just do this then. That's all in caps already. I want my voucher.
Yep. There you go. I think you're all good.
Okay, I'm gonna space this out because it might get people confused a little bit because we're not used to bots here in Ireland.
Ah, okay. Kind of a new thing.
I'm gonna put this here. I want my voucher. Okay. We will send it a messenger. So that's try and make it as simple as possible for people.
Yep.
Okay. Fine.
There you go. Cool.
Okay. Fine.
Awesome. So just save it. Hopefully it actually saves this time.
What about all this here? Captions? What's all this about?
Oh, that's for like video captions and stuff.
Advanced.
That stuff I don't think it has anything to do with the bot.
Okay. So save. And will I publish it now then?
I think it's already kind of published, so I think you're gonna save the edits. And let's just make sure. There we go. Now we can see it.
Okay.
Geez,
there's people.
Someone already commented. Cool. So we got to hook that up fast. All right. So now we go into ManyChat.
Damn. Okay. Okay.
All right. And then, so that we're good there. And then track first level comments only. I would recommend turning that on. That way, because what that is like people who, if they're replying and stuff over and over, then they're going to keep getting the messages. So track first level comments only is, I think, a good way to go. And then when a user leaves a comment, send message after immediately. That's good. I would go with that. And then exclude comments with these keywords. So if there's anything specific that I don't know, one reason why you might use that if you're in the make money online niche or something is like if someone says it's a scam and you don't want to send it to them. But for you, I don't know if that really would apply here. You can probably just leave that blank.
Just leave it blank, yeah. Okay.
And then same with the other thing.
Okay.
Well, we told them exactly what to say, but a lot of people are not going to say the right thing. So just leave it blank. They'll still mess it up. So you can go to next now.
Okay.
And then here's the message that you're going to send to them. So
okay, so we're going to put in for hey, thanks for commenting. Here is your voucher.
yeah, here's your voucher, or tell them how to get it. Maybe I'm not sure how you're delivering it, but
well, normally on the landing page they give us their name, their email address, and their phone number, and we email it to them.
okay, you can just give them a link to the landing page if you want.
That's a double whammy, though, isn't it? Will people actually do that then? That's the thing.
Click-throughs are pretty good for Messenger, usually about 80%.
Okay.
60 to 80%. So
can we send them something here with the voucher?
Yeah. Yeah, so you can send them, you can actually send them the voucher.
Okay, well, we'll just send them we'll make up a voucher now anyway, yeah? We just,
Yeah, or you can send, yeah, you can, however you want to do it. You can send files, you can send images, whatever you want.
okay, okay, here's the voucher.
And then so later you'll be able to, um, or I'll show you how to do it, but later you'll be able to um, put in like an image or a file or however you want to do it, or even if it's just a special like code or something. Or if it's a code or something, then you can literally just put the text
I'll
right
put it
there.
there, yeah, I'll make up a code now. Make one up. You can
Yeah,
use
just use your voucher code like
uh,
whatever.
you once if you oh yeah, okay. You show this message in store. Stores. Okay. Quote €100 voucher. Something like that. Okay.
Yeah, something like that. Simple, right? And then if you want, you can add like emojis. I don't know if that's your guys' style, but you can add emojis and things like that too.
Okay, we'll send it to you. Some emojis there as well. There you go.
There you go.
Okay.
Awesome. And then if you want to, you can also tell them like at the bottom after that, you can say if you want to subscribe for like continuous up or like for ongoing updates and special offers, then just reply yes.
Okay.
Because then they'll get this first message, but if they want to actually subscribe to your bot like beyond this, then they have to reply.
Okay. Right. Okay.
It's kind of like double opt-in.
It's probably good to get a reply from them anyway, because it's probably good to see a few different things, keep them engaged in it, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
We can say to them what in particular were you looking for, and then we can.
That's a great question. Yeah.
Is there anything in particular you're looking for?
Yeah, that's great because that's going to get them to like obviously want to reply.
Yeah. Looking for, and then what we can do is we can put down either bed or furniture, suite of furniture, because they sell suites of furniture as well.
Okay, great.
And if you pick beds, then we can show them a few different beds, and we can bring the conversation down a little bit more. Then, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
So where do I put the bed or suite of furniture?
Yeah, so we'll do that part afterwards.
Okay.
So that kind of comes later. This is you can't do that in the very first message. So once you get them to reply, then we can have more capabilities. So this is all you can do for now, and this is great. So then scroll down and just go to next.
Okay. Okay.
And then what you want to do is you want to, yeah. So they want you to send some sort of an opt-in message like this,
Okay.
where you're telling people like how they can unsubscribe. It's not 100% required, but you're technically supposed to tell people like how they can unsubscribe and stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay.
So I would say send to everyone who replies.
Send to everyone who replies. Okay.
And then this way you can add them to a sequence. So for right now, since we haven't created a sequence yet, I would just go ahead and click save.
Okay.
And then I'll show you how to create a sequence or save and activate. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So we're going to put this on hold for right now, and then we're going to create a sequence, and that's how we can send them another. If you want to like add them to it's kind of like an autoresponder series. But actually, go ahead and I think we might actually be able to do this right here. So instead of if you don't have some sort of a sequence that you want to create for them. So go ahead and click edit. You see right above
Here.
underneath growth tool, it says edit. Yeah, let's go in there.
Okay.
And oh yeah. Okay, yeah, so we can totally do this right here. So what you want to do is, so we have to remember, like, they're going to be replying to, is there anything in particular that you wanted? So next what you want to do is you want to click on that text block below.
Yeah.
Not quick reply, you can just say text.
Oh, yeah, sorry, this text. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, or actually, well, since you already set it above, maybe you can actually do quick reply. So I would say, because you've already asked them
They can
in the
pick whether they want the bed or a suite of furniture.
yeah, absolutely. So you can do different things like that.
So we'll,
Yeah, so make sure that you just like delete the little block right above.
oh, how do I delete that now?
Just the X, yeah.
Quick reply. Okay. Suite of furniture. Bed. Nope. I need another one as well.
Yeah, so click done.
I had done. Okay.
And then you can add, oh, well, you're gonna need to go back to that previous one and select like what happens when they press it. But yeah, for now you can add another option too.
So where do I do that? There?
Okay, yeah. So go back up to bed,
Yeah.
and we'll finish that one out first, and then we'll add another option. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly what you want to happen for this bot, but basically you have to decide if you want to send them another message saying like, okay, awesome, like we see you're looking for a bed. Or if you scroll down in that little like,
I want to send them a few beds, pictures of a few beds with a few prices maybe.
okay, yeah, so scroll, so go into the edit quick reply like window and then scroll down within that.
This one here?
No, see how there's the icon image with the smiley?
Here.
To the right, yeah, and then so scroll down like within that little window because there's additional actions below that you can do. So let's see, you can do different things right there. You can also add an image of a bed if you want to do that.
No, what I'd like them to do first is pick whether they want a bed or a suite of furniture. So I need two messages coming up side by side. So they click on bed or suite of furniture.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's do that. So then get out of that little menu that popped up. You can just say, oh, okay. No, I think you deleted it. So just do quick reply, bed,
Okay.
and then go to when this button is pressed. Oh, it X'd out. Yeah, so click send message.
Okay.
And then click on the send message thing again so that you can edit it.
Okay.
And then here you can say, you can add images. You can say like, you can enter some text saying like, cool, here's a couple of beds that we have.
Here are some of our beds that are in stock. Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then if you click below where it says image, or yeah, you can add some emojis.
Put a smiley there. Make it look a little bit real. Okay, and then I'll put in some images there as well, yeah?
Yep. Another option that you can do is you can also link them out to a site or something like that as well.
Link them out to where?
You can link them out to a website with all the listings if that's something that you want to do as well.
Yeah.
Or you can have the images here. It's either way.
Look. So there's an image there. Open.
Cool. So just open.
Nice. Another image. How do I add another image?
Oh, so then what you want to do is you want to go down to where it says image again, and you can add another one right there.
Oh, okay. So let's do the L bed. Yeah, we'll just do 3 images because I have 3 images there.
Yeah.
Hang on, that's text. What is that? I want to do an image. Oh, let's do a mirror image. Oh, French velvet. Mirror.
Perfect.
That's a very popular one there. Okay, so three beds. Okay.
Awesome. So now what you want to do is you want to go back. You can say like, oh, and that's cool. It shows you a little preview kind of on the side.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
And then let's see.
I should put. Here are some of our beds in stock, starting from. I could put that the price maybe.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So 399. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Cool. So now what you want to do is you want to go back to opt-in message. Are you good with 3 beds?
Yeah, 3 beds good. Yeah, that's enough.
Cool. So let's go back, then up. So scroll up. And then go back to opt-in message on the left.
Okay.
And then you want to add another quick reply.
Here, yeah. So, sweet. Okay. And then, what's this red for?
Oh yeah, so for the suite of furniture, then we got to go in and create the messages that come after that. So click on suite of furniture.
Okay.
And then, yeah, there we go. Click send message. And then click on it again, send message. Yes, when this, no. When the button is pressed, yeah, send message.
Okay.
And then here's where you can say, cool, like here's some of our suites of furniture or whatever. And then you put in the images.
That's from 899 or something like that. Don't even know the prices. The best.
Oh,
It's
well.
funny if you say, "Wow, this you have to put the price are too cheap."
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then
And then click image.
image. Okay. Have the images there. And there's 3 images there, so we click on that one. Bang. Image again.
Mm-hmm.
Perfecto. There you go. No, perfect.
Awesome. And then that's pretty much it. Like if you wanted to get super detailed or something, you can always like add buttons for each picture and then like link to the website or something like that. But this is great. This is a good start. So now what we need to do is just publish it and then just preview it to make sure that it kind of makes sense and that nothing is like out of order. Sound good?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Cool. So let's go ahead and click publish up in the upper right, the blue button.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And then just click preview and it's going to send it to it's not going to send it to anyone else except your Facebook inbox.
Okay.
And so this is cool because then you can see like how it's going to look for people. And this is super important to do, like to test it, because sometimes, you might have things go out of order or something. So always good to test.
Okay, here we are now. So we'll just go on to Messenger, will I? I'll just do it on Messenger.
Yeah, here we go.
Welcome, Lawrence. Thank you for subscribing. The next post is coming soon. Stay tuned. Yes, if you want to type stuff.
Okay, so they will have also gotten the previous message before. It's kind of weird how it works, but that's the message that the message that we set as the auto reply, like they automatically get that. And so what I'm noticing here is, see, that's why it's good to like kind of test it and think about it logically. So they're going to have typed something about what they're most interested in already, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
See all these people liking this here on the side already. But these are all going to start getting the messages.
yeah, I know. So let's see. Welcome, Lauren. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, so logically, what's going to be happening is they're going to be commenting below, and then they're going to get that initial first message already, and then people are going to be like typing in, right? They're not going to be getting. Yeah, so I think what we need to do is people are going to be able to, you're not able to show them buttons on the first message. So people are just going to be replying to that question. They're going to tell you a little bit about what you want. So maybe.
Would it come into my messenger? Would it?
No. It's going to go into the pages message.
Okay. Well,
so you'll be able, like the message or inbox up on the right.
Let me go into the pages messages here and we'll have a look. Would I? I'll go to inbox here. Yeah. And we'll just have a look and see if it went in. If I went in there. Oh, see, it's starting already.
Yep. Look, people are already commenting.
Look at all this already.
Yeah, see, it's fast, right?
Fast.
And so the only thing that you need to do is you need to, yeah, great. And so the only thing to notice is like some people, they might not reply.
Mm-hmm.
Like, because even though you say like, is there anything in particular you were looking for? Some people like might not reply to that. So then they're not going to get the next messages where they can see the pictures.
Right, okay, now I understand. Right, okay. So if they don't reply, they don't get the next message. So
Which is a little bit of a bummer, but
here's one here. I'm looking to order a sofa. Okay, I know I'm pushing it a bit. All right, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, whatever. Okay, here. Thank you very much. Welcome, Carlton. The next post is coming soon. Stay tuned. Okay. Right.
Cool. Okay, so then they should be getting.
Look at all these messages coming through. Yeah, where am I going? Let me go into 15 messages already.
Wow. Yeah. See, it's fast. So that's kind of weird, though. It didn't look like that other message went through when someone. Can you go back to the other, the previous one that you looked at where she replied? Wow, look at all these people are flooding in like right.
I know.
There's so many people.
Is there something wrong with this, or is it? These are all messages from before. Anyway, obviously we need to.
Oh, are they? These are all old.
No, I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's because it's just connecting it up. So this is the message. So that girl said thank you. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so then it should say, and yeah, unfortunately, the Powered by ManyChat, that's going to show until you upgrade to a non-free account. So it's going to keep showing.
All right. Okay.
That's just what they do. It's a little annoying, but
is this message going out to everybody that sends a message? Because this store gets an awful lot of message on Messenger. So,
No, no, no. This is only for people who are posting on or who are commenting um, on that post. Does that make sense?
Okay, but how come this went to this person as well?
It's possible that she commented on the.
Oh, right. Okay, on the post that we just put up.
Yeah, we can check unless something weird is happening. But that shouldn't be happening.
Oh, yeah, phone post.
What?
It's okay. I thought it was from the bed store ringing me to see what's going on.
Maybe I mean maybe we should check. Can you look at the wall post?
Hang on, let me just turn this off. Where's my phone? Where is my phone on this? Hello? Hello? I'll ring you back in about half an hour. Sorry about that.
Okay, so let's go ahead and I would check out the wall post and make sure that because it does seem like you're getting an awful lot of people. Okay, so look, you did get that message. It just took a little while for whatever reason, but
Yeah. But I didn't get the first message that I put up though. That's the only thing.
yeah, that's because you didn't actually comment on the post yourself.
Okay, right.
So let's take a look at that post though, because it does seem like you're getting a lot of people that are getting the message. So I think we should make sure that these people are actually commenting on it. Because you didn't send out a broadcast, so.
So let me have a look at the post here. 371 views already.
Okay, you're getting 38 comments. So yeah, all those, whoa. That's crazy. All right. So I guess, yeah, you already got 30. Didn't you just post this like 20 minutes ago or less?
I told you what we're doing. We're doing a lot of marketing for these, and we're doing that voucher. We've got 180 people take our voucher in 3 weeks.
Wow. All right. I mean, yeah, so you got 38 comments already, so that's good. That's insane. Cool. So that looks like the only thing is let's go back into the confirmation message and make sure that it just the flow is a little bit it was a little bit weird, right?
Yeah, that's all. Yeah. So what we win the management and have a look at the flow, will we? Or will
Yeah,
I?
let's go into mini chat.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is go back to the opt-in message.
Oh, see the opt-in message. Yeah, we didn't save the opt-in message properly.
Oh, did you mean to say something different on this one? I think you did, right?
Is this the or is this the voucher message?
Oh, no, no, no. Okay, yeah, this is the opt-in message after they've opted in. So the first message that they're going to get, let's go back to that. So click on the top, just click growth tool number 4.
Okay.
And then, yeah, auto response right on top.
Okay. Okay, so that's what we put in.
So everyone, we see everyone's getting this properly, which is good.
Okay.
Maybe you should like try rewording it because you're not going to be able to say you're not going to be able to put the buttons. So maybe you can try rewording it. You can say like, were you looking for a bed or a suite of furniture, question mark, or something like that to get them to hopefully reply, and then you'll be able to show them those buttons.
Okay. Is there anything in particular you're looking for? Okay. Was it a bed? maybe kind of bed or suite of furniture. And question mark. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah. How was that? So?
Yeah, that's good.
Save it.
And then save it, and then try going to, then go down to the bottom, and then do next.
Okay.
And then you can say, see, this is what kind of sucks, like, because you technically don't have to tell them the unsubscribe stuff, but it's just like you're supposed to. So go up to edit. Let's see if we can make this a little bit cleaner.
Edit this. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we can edit that. The thing, like, you can take it out.
Okay, so
so let's edit it. So go up to growth tool number 4.
Maybe if we edited this and we put in something about the bed store instead of welcome, Lauren, thanks for subscribing to the next post.
Yeah, it's a little bit confusing. That's just the auto message that they put there. So go to edit up in the right there. And then we just have to remember like what they will have just said. They will have said like yeah, I wanted a bed. And then basically what you can say is, cool, here are some of our offerings. Click below for to see, something like that. And then if you want to remove the unsubscribe stuff, you can remove it. There's no like hard rule right now.
Thanks. Okay. Thanks, Aaron. Thank you for taking our voucher for opting.
And you can just say like, click the button to see some or click which button.
Click bed or suite or furniture, whatever you want.
Mm-hmm. To see some pictures or something like that.
To view. Yeah. And I'll take this out then as well.
Yeah, technically right now you don't have to keep that, so.
Yeah, sure. When they make us do it, we'll add it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then that's it. I think it's going to make sense after that.
How do we save this and save?
Yeah, so just go to, actually, first, I think it's going to keep all those spaces, so you might want to just delete. It's going to keep all the indents.
Okay.
Yeah, so then I would just go to publish.
Does that save it or does it? Does save it, does it? We click save.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, published.
Yep, so then you can go to,
you can not have a look at what it looks like then.
Yeah, you can click preview. It's just going to send you these messages. But I would just click preview, yeah.
Yeah, because we want to see what it looks like. Oh, suite of furniture. Look at this. People are opting in already.
Yeah, people are telling you what they want.
Where is it publishing for me in my...
Oh, so go back to your Facebook. There we go.
Okay, right, okay. This is better now. Yeah, thanks, Lauren. Thanks for opting in for our voucher. Click bed or suite of furniture to view. Okay, so we go for bed.
And then it might take a little bit time. Sometimes it's a little bit slow with images and files.
Okay.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. So basically we could write the whole conversation here and guide them into exactly what.
Yeah, and you can build out a whole entire flow.
Yeah.
Isn't this cool? Like, look, you already got like 40 more comments.
Fucking hell, man! Look at this.
It's insane. Awesome. And so then that's all there is to it. Now they just walk in and show the voucher, and there you go.
Yeah, that's all they do. Yeah, just show the message. Yeah, that's it. They have the message on their phone every day.
Yep.
Off now or anything like that. You don't have to, because I'd say a lot of, well, I don't know, maybe a lot of people don't even check their mails. You know what I mean? They get so much mail coming in, and then as well, if it's junk mail, if the mail comes the first time into them, they might go into the junk mail, so they might even get the voucher then. At least now they're getting it straight into their inbox.
Yeah. This is brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Really good.
Awesome. So yeah, and then that's all there is to it. You can continue to build more bots and do this for other posts, and then you can also turn this post into an ad just like you would in the, like, nothing has changed as far as if you ever wanted to turn this into an ad in Ads Manager. It's still the same. And then you just hook up or remove the menu
If I
chat.
want to do this in Ads Manager, how do I just do the same thing, do I, or how does it work then?
Yeah, so then how it'll work is you'll go to, in Ads Manager, you would just create the ad the normal way. And then at the end, when the very last step, when you're going to add like the copy and the video or whatever, you just select, like, it's going to give you the option to select the page post instead of creating a new one. And then you just pick that one.
Sorry, say that again. I lost you.
So what it's going to do is it's going to give you the option to either, you know how the last step when you create an ad, you have to put in like the copy. After you do the targeting, after you do the pricing, you put in like the image or video, and then you put in the copy, and then you're done, right?
Yeah.
So there it's going to also give you the option to select a page post.
Okay, so listen, we'll have a look at it here. Okay, so say we're doing this on Ads Manager.
Yeah, so you're going to have to, yeah.
So we just use the same kind of, I'll just pick the same image. So.
Well, this process is not any different at all within the Facebook ads. So you would go to, you need to create,
click that, okay.
You'll need to create a new ad at least. I think you can do it within a campaign maybe, but Facebook ads are not my specialty. I usually just create a whole new like campaign or a new ad set. But I think you can.
I think it's in here actually, because you can click on Messenger here if you want. And you go in here.
Or you can create like a new ad, yeah, for this ad set.
Yeah. So you will use a video ad, but then it asks for video, website, Messenger setup. Is that where you click?
No, this is going to be like the default reply.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Right.
It's just going to be that though. So
so basically, I'll just do the ad here, and I'll just connect it up to ManyChat then.
Yeah, you can also do that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Because this is the ad that we're running at the moment. So we're looking to do something new this week for January.
Yeah. Hey, Lawrence, I'm going to hop off video just for a second. I'm going to run into the other room.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay, go ahead there. Play around with this a little bit. Okay. Crazy results. Let's go back here and have a look. My God. Inbox. 46 notifications in 15 minutes. Oh, no.
All right. Let's see here. Start video. Am I back? Cool. I'm back. All right. Cool. Yeah. So that's all there is to it. And same process with an ad. Oh, good. See, that's so awesome. She's literally telling you which one she wants.
Yeah, she's picking which one she wants here. Look.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Isn't this awesome? Gosh, I'm excited for you.
Suite of furniture. There you go. She gets all the furniture. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is just so cool.
40
I'm really excited.
in about 20 minutes.
Whew, yeah. All right, so isn't this super, super powerful? Oh my gosh.
I know.
Cool. Well, I mean, those are kind of just the first steps, and then from there you can do like a whole bunch of different things after that.
Yeah.
Uh, but are you good for right now?
Yeah. I just have to go in there and work out money chats properly and go and just see if I can. Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, it's super cool and like really a lot of powerful features. So
Yeah.
really good way to keep people engaged because they're kind of always checking their phones.
Yeah. No, definitely. So if we set up.
Awesome. Well, we're recording. Yeah, we're still recording.
Yeah, I'm still recording. Yeah.
Cool. So are we? I gotta hop off and make sure that
No,
I.
brilliant. Okay, that's great. I'll let you know how we get on, and thanks for sharing everything. Brilliant.
Absolutely.
Get that course. Get Nico's course really good. This is brilliant. And it's going to bring up your conversions by about 50% more. Straight.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And we're definitely going to be using this from now on anyway. Okay.
Awesome. All right. Thanks a lot, Lawrence.
Right. See you later.
Well, make sure you save this recording or how. I think you have to do it after, but make sure you like save this recording. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to save it here.
This is gold.
Where am I going to go and save this now? Because I haven't.
Maybe you do like stop. I think there's a way to like.
Stop share. Or here. Recording on this computer. Because we don't lose this. Pause. Stop it. There we go. Yeah.